There we go. Okay.
Hi, I'm Barbara, and I've just had 16 windows installed on my sleeping porch, and I have to say I'm thrilled. I found Dennis and Zen Windows through a friend who also had windows done, and I saw hers and saw the price, and I thought I'm just gonna call. So I did. The price was great. I loved it because we had choices but not too many. It was a very simple project, and I also loved when I got online, there's a little video that kind of explains the product, which was great. The windows they came out and measured because this is an old house and things aren't exactly straight here.
Sure.
And they came out and measured, and then in a very timely fashion, the windows arrived and they just finished installing them. So from the beginning to the end, it's been a very easy and pleasant experience.
Good. Did they treat your house good as far as cleanup and everything?
Yeah, well, they haven't finished cleaning up, but they're in the process of cleaning up. It looks great. They've put down runners because to get to the sleeping porch, they have to drag everything up through the house.
Yeah.
So yeah, and the workers are very nice, and it's just great. It's been great.
Good. Thank you very much. I'm going to kind of scroll through the house. I mean the sleeping porch here to get
I want you to come back after it's all painted and the furniture's back, so you can see how nice it's going to look.
Well, already, I'm sure that versus the storm windows and everything. This is like night and day already, huh?
It is.